Hello guys, welcome to PC Charles TV. Do you want to know what I use to make this delicious and simple instant noodles, or do you want to know how to make it? Follow me through. I will teach you how. Thank you. So I used pepper, onions, the instant noodles, which is 5 pieces, and my eggs. I used 6 eggs. I'm going to be frying 4 and boiling 2. So these are the simple ingredients I use, not much ingredient. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Please like this video, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified. So the first thing I did, I put my water in my pot. I'm going to be boiling the egg. I'm going to be boiling 2 eggs. As I said previously, I'm frying 4 eggs. So I rinsed my eggs. I rinse them so that the dirt on the body will come off, because the water I'm going to use to boil the eggs is what I'm going to be using to cook the indomie. So I need to wash the eggs clean. So I put the eggs in my pot, then I switched on my gas. So I covered my pot, leaving the eggs to boil. So while the egg is boiling, I don't want to sit down and be looking at it. So I quickly washed my pepper and my onions. I'm going to be using the manual blender to blend it. That's a hand blender. I don't want it to be smooth. I don't want to use I don't want to use electronic blender. I need it to be, how would I put it, not to be smooth. So I blended it. I also blended my onions because my noodles, I don't like my onions to be too obvious. So I like blending it to be small. I don't want it to be visible. So I also blended the onions. See, I'm done blending both the onion and the pepper. So after blending the pepper and onions, I opened up all the instant noodles. These 5 instant noodles. Opened the ingredients with my scissors. So I want to break the eggs now. Like literally, I want to ready everything, so that when the egg gets done, I will just put the indomie and I won't stress myself again. So I poured the ingredients, like a little small ingredients, so the egg will have taste when I'm frying it, to have small taste. Do you understand? So I checked on my boiling eggs. See, it's almost done. So after checking on it, I went to rinse up my frying pan, what I'm going to use to stir fry the indomie. So I rinsed it up to remove any dust. It's clean already, but I just have to rinse it to remove dust particles from it. You understand what I'm saying? So all the ingredients I need for this stir fry indomie is basically ready. So my groundnut oil, my blended pepper, my whisked egg, my opened ingredients, and my opened indomie. So it's time to cook the indomie proper. I told you guys that the water I'm going to be using to boil the egg, that's what I'm going to use to put the indomie, or to boil the indomie. So I put all my 5 noodles inside and I waited for it to get boiled. So the indomie is done already. So I'm going to bring out my sieve and sieve it out. So I sieved out the water from the indomie. So it's time for me to dry my frying pan in the fire. So I put the frying pan on the fire for it to get dry, so I can put my oil. So I put my oil now. So it's for me to allow the oil to get hot a little before putting my pepper and onions. So I've put my pepper and onions mix. So I'm frying it. So after then, I put my egg, allowed it to fry. I didn't start mixing it immediately. I allowed it to fry because I want my eggs to be in large chunk, not in small chunk, because if I started mixing it immediately, it will become small, which I don't want. So this is what I want. So now I've started mixing it. See, it's in large chunk. So this is what I want. This is the size I desire. If you also want your size to be like this, you can also do it like this. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you have liked the video so far, comment down below and hit the notification bell. So I lowered the gas because I wanted to put the Indomie. I don't want it to get burnt. So I put the ingredients in my Indomie like this. I even added a little grounded pepper because the pepper there, I'm not sure it's going to be enough. So I added a little grounded pepper. You can see it, that red thing is a grounded pepper. So I put the Indomie there. So I stir-fried it. Let's stir-frying it. Stir-fry till my desired result. I've gotten my desired result. Yeah, as you can see, I've already achieved my desired results. Look at it, the Indomie is properly mixed with the egg and it's properly stir fried. So after that, I broke my egg. My boiled egg. Yeah. So my stir fried Indomie is basically ready. It's time for me to serve it for eating, for specializing. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. This was fucking delicious. It was delicious. Yeah. So we have come to the end of the video. Please, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below any question you want to ask. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post interesting content. I post get ready with me content. I post how to content, and I post different vlogs. So bye, love you, peace.